Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the App Store uses Apple Pay as your payment method. Open Settings and check your Apple ID payments. Once done, make sure Wallet has a verified card, and that billing address exactly matches your App Store address. This avoids declines. Enable Face ID, Touch ID, or a payment passcode so confirmations are instant. You're not setting Clash Royale inside the game yet. You're preparing the only secure pathway to buy gems through Apple's purchase flow. You now begin the actual purchase. Open Clash Royale and select the gem bundle or offer. When you tap Buy, do not expect an in-game card entry prompt. Apple routes you to the App Store purchase sheet, which presents Apple Pay if it's your default method. Once the sheet appears, verify the total, shipping, or tax lines, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This is why you set up wallet and verification first. The App Store mediates the transaction. You finish by confirming the App Store shows a successful charge and then return to Clash Royale to see gems delivered. This usually completes in seconds. If gems don't appear, make sure your internet connection is stable, then check purchase history in settings to confirm the charge. That tells you whether Apple processed it. If the charge failed, verify card expiration and billing address. If Apple shows success, but Clash Royale lacks items, contact Supercell with the receipt. Apple support helps with billing logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.